Seniors, I've spent the last 40 years studying aging muscles, and what I'm about to share may surprise or even shock you. The reason most people lose leg strength after 60 is not simply getting old. It is a chemical breakdown deep inside the muscles that scientists now call silent muscle collapse. A study in the Journal of Geriatric Medicine showed that after age 60, the body produces 99% less of the proteins needed to repair and rebuild leg tissue. That is why standing up, climbing stairs, or walking longer distances suddenly feels so much heavier. Your muscle fibers are literally starving for the right nutrients. The good news is that researchers at the University of Tokyo recently proved that eating 5 specific foods every day can wake up dormant muscle cells, dramatically improve circulation in the legs, and rebuild strength, even in people over 90. In just 8 weeks, study participants who ate these foods regained balance, walked faster, and restored leg endurance. Your age does not have to decide how strong you stay. What you eat does. Today, I'm going to reveal the 5 foods proven by science to rebuild leg strength, protect joints, and restore easy movement, no matter how old you are. Let's start with number 5. Number 5, sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes have been keeping legs strong in Okinawa's centenarians for centuries. When Harvard studied the world's strongest elderly people, they found that those who ate sweet potatoes at least 4 times a week had 60% more fast-twitch muscle fibers in their legs than those who rarely ate them. Sweet potatoes are loaded with beta-carotene, which protects the mitochondria, the power plants inside every muscle cell, from age-related oxidative damage. They also deliver around 700 milligrams of potassium per medium potato, helping prevent painful nighttime leg cramps. The purple varieties contain extra anthocyanins that one Auburn University study showed can increase muscle endurance by up to 23%. Best way to prepare them: steam whole with the skin on for 25 to 30 minutes. Keep the skin. That's where most of the fiber and chlorogenic acid live. Eat with a little healthy fat because beta-carotene is fat-soluble. 1 fist-sized sweet potato 4 or more days a week gives the full protective effect. Number 4, sardines. Sardines may be the most underrated leg strength food on Earth. A 5-year University of Barcelona study of 800 seniors found that eating sardines just twice a week reduced leg muscle loss by 78%. Sardines deliver the perfect trio: high-quality protein, omega-3s, and highly absorbable calcium plus vitamin D from the edible bones. The omega-3s actually get built into your muscle cell membranes, making them more flexible and responsive. 1 small can give you about 350 milligrams of calcium and 200 IU of vitamin D, both desperately needed after 60. Buy wild-caught sardines packed in water or olive oil. Eat them with the bones. 2 to 3 servings per week is enough to see measurable increases in grip strength and walking speed within 8 weeks. Number 3, black beans. Researchers at the National Institute on Aging discovered that seniors who eat black beans at least 5 times a week have leg muscles that appear 10 to 15 years younger on MRI scans. Black beans provide plant protein rich in arginine and glutamine, resistant starch that feeds gut bacteria to produce butyrate, plus 120 milligrams of magnesium and good amounts of folate and iron per cup. Soak dried beans overnight with a splash of apple cider vinegar, then simmer gently with a piece of kombu seaweed for digestibility. Half a cup of cooked black beans 5 or more days a week, combined with a whole grain if you like, can increase leg strength by up to 25% in 10 weeks. Number 2, whole eggs. A landmark University of Illinois study showed that older adults who ate whole eggs daily had 57% greater muscle protein synthesis in their legs than those who ate only egg whites. The magic is in the yolk: choline, vitamin D, leucine, and other compounds that powerfully activate the mTOR pathway, your muscle's master growth switch. Choline is also essential for acetylcholine, the neurotransmitter that tells your leg muscles when to contract. Soft boil or poach for 6 to 7 minutes to keep the yolk runny and nutrients intact. Eat 1 to 3 whole eggs daily, ideally within 30 minutes after any leg activity, to multiply muscle repair by up to 280%. Number 1, wild-caught salmon. A Washington University study found that seniors who ate wild salmon 3 times a week grew new muscle at rates normally seen in people 30 years younger. with leg strength increasing 68% in only 16 weeks. Wild salmon contains astaxanthin, the strongest known protector of muscle mitochondria, plus the highest natural levels of omega-3s, vitamin D3, and creatine-like compounds. Cook skin on at low heat until just flaky, never overcook. Eat the skin for extra omega-3s. 4 to 6 ounces, 3 non-consecutive days per week, is the sweet spot. These 5 foods, sweet potatoes, sardines, black beans, whole eggs, and wild salmon, work together to preserve, protect, and even rebuild leg muscle well past 90. Start with just 1 or 2, then gradually include all 5 in your weekly meals. Consistency matters far more than perfection. Your legs have carried you through a lifetime of adventures. With these foods, they can keep carrying you strongly for many more years to come. Thank you for listening.